maker friends, I'm Morgan and welcome to Morgan Makes. Today I'm making a lemon blueberry pound cake. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. First we need some flour, eggs, and sugar. Butter and cream cheese. Don't forget the vanilla extract and lemon extract. We need salt and lemon zest. And don't forget the blueberries. Put the oven on 325. Put shortening and flour in the pan so it won't stick. First I need to add the butter and the cream cheese. Now we have to mix it in the blender. We clean the butter and the cream cheese to the mixer. Right, it's just like this, okay? Butter is creaming it. Now I can put the sugar in. It's coming out really good. Well, zesting lemons is my favorite good thing to do. I'm adding my lemon zest and then the salt, vanilla, and a lemon extract. I need to get it inside the bowl. Doing it with my hands. And mix it up. That looks good enough. Just mix it up with my hands. It's so good today. Oh, this is the best day ever. Now I can blow the blueberries into the cake batter. Now the taste test. It's so tasty. Let's put it in the oven. Make sure as a grown-up, don't do it by yourself. Okay, guys, don't put your hands in the oven. As a grown-up, to put the cake in the oven is so yummy and so delicious. This recipe is to bake it for 1 to 2 hours. 2 hours? First, that's a long time. We are going to check it in 1 hour to see it's done. If it's not, we'll cook it a little bit longer. Make sure your oven is set on 325. I squeeze lemons because we need to make the glaze. But there's a seed inside. There's a seed inside. We don't want that. Powdered sugar. It looks like flour sugar or something. Okay, so first lemon juice. Yeah, it's so amazing. Here, friends, I put the lemon glaze into the cake. Did you like it? Write in the comments. Guys, help! Write in the comments. And tell your friends about this channel. See you next time, my Morgan Makes. Bye, make your friends. you like baking? Let me know in the comments.